Welcome back to Money Mind. Singapore's private home prices continue to slide for the third consecutive quarter. Now, based on the latest Urban Redevelopment Authority's flash estimates, private residential property index fell 2.3 points last quarter, or 1.1%. Now, as the property market continues to soften, industry players are upping their game. Property developers and property owners are resorting to creative strategies to market their units. Money Mind's Winnie Pasquale discovers one technique that could help you rent or sell your unit twice as fast. Time is money. And with the competitive property market these days where supply outstrips demand, every second wasted is an opportunity cost and money lost.
It's very important for developers, for individual landlord or multiple property landlords to quickly rent out in such a competitive environment instead of holding it for a long time. So the one very good idea of this is actually to stage up the apartment.
Staging, as property players call it, is not something new, but it has gained traction lately due to the softening of the property market. Staging involves the interior designing, renovating and decorating of a house to enhance its appeal to prospective tenants or buyers. Property manager Jenny Ong looks after this unit at the Glyndebourne at Dunyan, where staging has been done. She tells us why.
Because we have purchased this unit and we need to rent it out as soon as possible. So it came with just no furniture here, so we think that we could spruce up the apartment so that we can fetch a better yield on the rental.
Property agent Lawrence Tan believes there's a difference between a bare, lackluster unit and a nicely decorated one.
As an agent, I serve a tenant, and when a tenant go in to an apartment, I want them to have the same feeling as me. You know, there is always the wow factor. You know, you come in, you feel good, you like the apartment.
He says staging also allows clients to visualize how things fit into place in the unit. Window to the Past, or WTP, is in the business of providing this service.
Landlords and developers are having trouble leasing out especially high-end units. The person renting it, the occupier, it's just a sea of white apartments. So they have to differentiate the units. So yes, leasing is the way to go, staging is the way to go. And also, new companies are bringing in people on shorter contracts. So they don't want to ship people's furniture out. They want them to arrive with just their suitcases. So we are seeing a lot of corporates move in and having, to furnish from scratch.
Primarily a furniture company, WTP supplies home furnishings and accessories, including interior design. WTP says a typical budget for furnishing should be around 10 to 15% of your desired rental price.
There are some lower yielding areas where we can do a show flat for as little as $500 a month. But in higher yielding areas, you have to do a better show flat, you spend maybe $5,000 a month.
On average, it takes 2 to 4 weeks to do up a unit. And clients usually take a 3-month lease contract, the staging period when people come in to view the unit. According to the Renovation and Decoration Advisory Centre, or RADAC, there's been no significant increase in such a service in spite of the downturn in the property market.
Which might draw in certain interested parties, but at the same time, it may put off certain people. So I wouldn't say that is good or bad. It depends whether who is coming to view the place and whether such enhancement is useful for them.
But based on industry experience, a staged unit usually fetches a higher yield.
In general, you can see transactions varies between 10 to 20% higher for units that are tastefully decorated, furnished with some accessories, But in terms of sales, many other factors come into play. You should be able to sell your unit faster than anybody else if it's nicely and tastefully done up.
It could be anything from 10 to 20%. We recently had a landlord along Farrer Road who was, after years of leasing the unit, decided to sell the property. And they engaged our services, they told us what they were looking for, And we told them that they needed to spend a little bit more money to get it done right. And they said, no problem. And they actually got a yield 20% in excess of what the market rate for the property, and it was a sale property in this difficult market.
It's about 20% more before if I were to use the old furniture.
For those who prefer to use their old furniture or plan to do it yourself, it can be more costly.
In the past, we used to use our furniture, the basic furniture, and put it into the apartment just to make it look occupied. But now with the tenants being very sophisticated expatriates, they are looking for more.
Furnishing companies such as WTP also provide clients the option to lease long-term at easy monthly installments and keep the furniture after 2 years. PropNext says slow-moving units can get stuck in the market for 6 months or longer these days, so it's important for a unit to stand out.
As I say, buying is sentimental. The buyer will go out to the market, look at everything, and the most important thing for seller is to create an impression. That is why I say it must be able to create interest and create the desire to own, and it remains in their memory when they go home.
Little enhancements like this will certainly attract some potential people who want to buy or to rent the place because it's value add if it doesn't add extra cost to what they're going to pay for or rent from.
That's our show for this week. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you've missed any of our past episodes or if you have questions or comments, do drop us a line. You'll find us at channelnewsasia.com/moneymind, and you'll also find us on Facebook. I'll see you same time next week.